Hi, the NMAT 2025 notifications out now with CET, CAT out, next then NMAT. So what are the important dates and information? Let's look at it. So let's look at important points. I mean, basically you can write NMAT 3 attempts. I mean, basic in the fixed period, whatever the period is there from 5th November to December, you can attempt 3 times and the best of the 3 scores will be considered. Right, so there will be 3 sections with equal weightage. So you have quant, reasoning and language in the paper. So there's a fixed time for each section and total time is 120 minutes. So they have a sectional time limits. So within that period you have to solve that particular. CAT has a sectional time limit, NMAT has a sectional time limit. ZAT does not have it. You can also choose section order, like unlike CAT where you have to write, the particular order like verbal, DLR, con. Here you can choose the order based on the way you prefer as such. And my recommendation is, if you have one specific slots, book your slots early. Because a lot of people prefer focus on CAT, so automatically they have specific dates to look at. Normally at a later December, we tend to get full very fast. Okay, so if you're looking at writing a date on end of on December period, tend to book early because the slots may get full as early as possible. So look out the dates. Try to plan your preparation. You have CAT, which is also important exam. Your NMAT. Remember, they are 2 different examinations. Can't do it close to each other. So if you're putting NMAT for CAT, my suggestion is give at least 1 week gap, preferably 2, but at least 1 week gap. If you're writing NMAT after CAT, again possibly try to give 1 week gap because you will have to get used to that whole strategy of preparing, writing mocks, etc. So look at the options and try to plan it out. So they've given the dates. 1st August is where the registration starts. It will end on 10th October. So you have time, but my suggestion is slot will get full, so try to fill early, right? You can schedule your date for when you want exam from 1st August. Again, it will end on 14th October. So you have time, but again, fill it early. Exam will start on 5th November and it will end on 19th December. This is schedule for the examination. You can start from 5th November and till 19th December, you will have the examination. So you can pick up any dates. I mean, each obviously costs. I mean, you have to pay 3,000 rupees for per attempt. You're giving 3 attempts, will be 9,000 rupees. So be careful. If you're very, very serious about the exam and the college is under it, then you can give 3 attempts. Else, maybe you can give 1 attempt. You can decide what you want. Right? I hope this helps. We do run classes for different MBA entrance exam for more than 23 years. So fairly comfortable with the exam. Thank you.